Driving a Honda Civic and suddenly your radio screen shows code? This can happen after disconnecting the battery or even just a voltage drop. It's Honda's way of protecting your radio from theft, but to you, it just feels like your audio system is locked. Here's the fix. Every Civic radio comes with a serial number that's tied to a specific unlock code. For models after 2001, you can usually display the serial number directly on the screen by pressing and holding buttons 1 and 6 while powering on. For older Civics, you might need to remove the radio unit and check the side label marked Serial No. Once you have the serial, head to hondaradiocodes.com. Enter that number, and in seconds, your Civic's unlock code appears on the screen. It's quick, secure, and guaranteed to work. You don't have to pay dealer fees or wait for days. When you're ready to enter the code, just turn on your radio, type in the digits, and confirm. After the last number, you'll hear a beep, and your Civic's audio will be back. If you have a navigation unit, don't worry, the Navi code is included free. So, whether it's a 2007, 2008, or any Civic model, you never have to stress over a locked radio again. Unlock your code instantly at hondaradiocodes.com and get back to enjoying your drive.